So hey guys, welcome back again. This is me Punil Tudu, and in this video we are just going to see how actually you can download Parrot OS. Go to www.parrotsec.org and then click on the download button. Here you will get two options, Home Edition and Security Edition. Just download Home Edition or Security Edition, whatever you want. So I have here downloaded the Security Edition. And after click on the edition, you have to choose two options, like main desktop and KDE desktop. Choose one of them and get downloaded by direct download or using torrent download, whatever you want. We are going to install that Parrot OS in our VMware. So open up your VMware Workstation Pro. Wait for some time and you can create a new virtual machine, or from the file menu you can create a new virtual machine. So click on that and we're good to go. Now locate your Parrot OS where you have downloaded. After selecting your Parrot OS, click on Next and name your virtual machine. After naming your virtual machine, you have to choose your location where you want to install your VM. In my case, I'm using D drive. Now click on Next for continue. Okay, choose your hard drive size for your VM and choose the first option, and this is good for your PC. To interact with the menus, you have to click on the screen. And if you want to unlock your mouse from the VM screen, you must have to press Ctrl Alt. Now choose the first option and we are good to go. And here is our interface, but our installation is not complete. Let's check our internet connection if it is working or not. Just we have to ping www.google.com. Okay, so our internet is working well. Now let's complete our installation. Now click on the install Parrot and we are good to go. Here you can select your language. After selecting your language, click on the next and select your location, and then click on next and then choose your keyboard layout. Click on next, and here is the partition portion. We have to use entire disk as our partition. So click on the first option. And here choose your username and choose your password, whatever you want. After that, click on next and see your summary, what you have done in previous steps. And everything is good, then click on next and install. After the install, please click on done and it will restart your VMware. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe for more new videos. Your one subscription gives me more motivation for making this type of videos. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.